Chapter 1 City Life 1. Making telephone calls. Dialogue 1.
Hello. Good morning. Who is that speaking?
It's Jane. I'm so sorry that I made such an early phone call.
It's nothing. Who do you wish to talk to?
Is Sue in?
Sue, Jane wants you on the phone.
Hello, is Sue there? Yes, speaking. Oh, sorry. I'm afraid I won't attend the meeting this morning. Last night I had a sore throat and I started getting hot. Don't worry about the meeting. You'd better go to see a doctor. I wish you will be well soon. Thank you, Sue. Bye. Dialogue 2.
Can I talk to Mark?
Hang on, okay? Let me see if he's here. Sorry, he's not available right now.
Do you have any idea where he is?
Sorry, I don't know.
Do you know when he will be back?
He should be back in 30 minutes.
Can I leave a message?
Of course. Hold on for just a second so I can grab the pen and paper.
When he comes back, can you have him call me at 206-555-1212?
Can you repeat again, please?
206-555-1212.
I'll have him call you as soon as he's back. Two. In the post office. Dialogue 1.
Good afternoon, madam. What can I do for you?
Yes, I want to buy some postcards. Do you know where I can get them?
Yes, you can buy them here. We have 3 kinds of postcards, $1, $2, and $5. Which one do you want?
Oh, can I have a look at them?
Yes, please.
I want this card. Is it $2 each?
Yes, how many do you want?
3. This is $10 here.
Here's your change.
Thank you. One more question. I can send my postcards from this post office, right?
Yes, madam. Our office hour is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day.
Okay, thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Dialogue 2. Good morning, sir. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to send this package to Beijing. Which window should I go to?
Go to the window marked Parcel Post.
Thanks. I want to send this package parcel post, registered.
What does it contain?
There are 3 books.
Do you want it insured?
Yes, please. For $30.
That will be 60 cents. Here are your stamps.
Thanks.
Wait a second, sir.
Yes?
You forgot to put the return address on the package.
Oh, sorry. I'll put it on right now.
Now, here is your receipt. Three. In the bank. Dialogue 1. Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
Yes. I'd like to withdraw some money from this account.
Okay. How much do you want?
$500.
Can you fill out this form, please? You need to write down your name, your account number, how much money you want.
Sure. Hold on for a moment. Here you are.
Thanks. Sir, please enter your password over that machine.
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir, but your password is wrong.
Really? Can I try it again? How about this time?
It's correct now. Here's your receipt. Please sign at the bottom of it.
Okay, here you are.
Here are $500 and your account. Please press the button to give a score for my service. Thank you. Dialogue 2. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, may I help you?
I'd like you to cash this check for $100, please.
Do you have an account with us?
No, actually, I'd like to open an account right now.
What kind of account would you like to open?
A checking account.
Please fill in these forms. Can I have your ID card to make a copy?
Yes, sure. Here you are.
Thanks. Please finish these forms. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Did you finish the forms? May I have them back?
Yes, here you are.
Now, how would you like this check cashed, ma'am?
10 tens will be fine.
Here you are.
Four. Taking the bus. Dialogue 1.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the newly built cinema?
No, you'll have to get off at the bookstore and take number 39.
Thank you. How much is the fare to that stop?
$1.
How many stops are there?
3 stops, including this one.
That's not too bad. By the way, do I need a transfer again after number 39?
No, a number 39 will take you right there.
Thank you.
Dialogue 2.
Excuse me, I've been waiting here for 15 minutes. Do you know how often number 9 runs?
Oh, it runs every 20 minutes. You must have missed one when you came here. It would be here any minute now.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Do you mind if I ask you where you are going?
I'm going to the hospital.
Okay. Actually, you can take both number 9 and number 12 to the hospital.
Really? That sounds great. By the way, do you know where I can find a bus schedule?
You can go to the transportation department to get yourself a bus schedule and a bus routine map. It's just around the corner.
I see. Thank you very much.
Five. Taking the subway. Dialogue 1.
Can I have 2 tickets?
To which station?
Oh, we're going to the art gallery? Which subway should we take?
Take the line 5 and transfer to line 1 at the central bank.
Okay. How many stops in total?
10 stops. This is the subway map. You can keep it in case of getting lost.
Thank you. How much are the tickets?
$2 each.
Here you are.
Here are your tokens. Have a good day. Dialogue 2.
Excuse me. Can you tell me how I can get a subway ticket?
Go to the auto machine over there.
I'm a newcomer here. Can you show me how to use it?
Sure. You need 2 $1 coins. Put them in the slot and click one ticket button on the screen. It's very easy.
Okay, but I don't have any coins. Where can I get some?
You can change some at the service center.
Can they take a $20 bill?
I think so, but you need to ask them.
Okay, I think I can handle it. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching Dhaka English Study Bangladesh.